welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Blessing and this is I Teach with Miss B, and today I'm going to be taking you on another ride. Please, if you've not joined my WhatsApp channel, please go ahead and join the WhatsApp channel. I created that channel for teachers and the link is going to be in the description box, okay? And every Sunday I hold a live stream. So if you're a teacher here and you're new to my channel, please click on the like, subscribe and share button, and please tell other teachers that there's someone who is doing something that they would love to learn as well. My goal this year is to raise teachers that are going to be financially free teaching online. Yes, that's what I want. I want to see teachers who are doing very well teaching online. A lot of people are already getting testimonials just by teaching online already. If you watch my videos, my live stream, people come online and say just by watching my videos, they've been able to do their demos and they've been able to get jobs. And I'm rooting for you as a teacher as well. So today we're going to be learning how to use a whiteboard. And the whiteboard we're going to be learning how to use today is called Kami. A lot from using the OneNote. A lot of people do not know how to use any other whiteboard. And today we're going to be learning how to use Kami. Okay, Kami is spelled Kami, is a whiteboard that you could use as a teacher. So for instance, I'm going to put this up now. The reason why I'm doing this is just in case you are a teacher and you're using the Google Meet and you can't find the Google Meet whiteboard. You are learning or you're teaching maths. You just quickly come to Kami and then create. Okay, create your. I've already logged in before, so I'm just going to sign in. So if you have not signed into Kami, just go ahead and sign up, or rather, yeah, sign up to Kami, right? So it is an interactive whiteboard that you could use to teach. You can annotate, your student can annotate, you can even share the link, and the student is also going to get it as well. This is it. Like I said, I'm already signed in. So this is it. They said it is updating. Let me just wait a bit. It's still loading up some things. So what I want to do, so you could open a file from your Google Drive and all of that, or Kami library. I do not have a Kami library, so I'm just going to click on blank page. Okay, you could even connect it to your Google Classroom. Now look at it. Blank page, A4 paper portrait. How many pages do you want? Do you want a page? Do you want 2 pages? You could go ahead and let me just say 2 pages. Okay, I'm going to say okay, no, I don't want this. 2 pages. Background color, I want to change my background color. I don't want it to be white. I'm going to use maybe something still light, but I'm going to use this. I'm a blue girly, sorry. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to create my page now. You need to do something quickly, you can actually use the free version and you are going to still have a very wonderful class. You can even still save the page. Okay, now this is it. So you could come here, you could select, you could identify. Can you see I changed my page? So I have 2 pages here. You could go ahead and make a comment. You could put your text box. For instance, I want to put in my topic for the day. I'm just going to write my topic, and maybe my topic is adverbs. Okay, so I can change the font size. Remember, just the same way we do it on what's it called, the same way we do it on see, if this file is not uploaded, would you love to save it to Google Drive or OneDrive? See, so you can save it. Once you're done, you can just save it, but right now I'm not saving this. I'm just going to close this first. So this is my topic. I can make it bigger. Let me increase the size. I'm going to change this to size 18 because it's a topic, and I'm going to change the font size to comic. Okay, so you could see this is it. So I have my topic, or you could still even just drag it a bit. Okay, I have my title or my topic there. Now maybe I want to put in a picture, or maybe I'm done teaching, or I want to put in a picture. I could go to media, right, and collect from my computer. Maybe I have a picture that I already downloaded, so I'm just going to go to my pictures that I have, and I'm going to pick up one. Let me go to my picture gallery. I have a lot of pictures, trust me. I have so much pictures that I'm even wondering what I'm doing with most of them. So I'm just going to pick up a picture that I'm going to use for my class. Maybe I want to use this as a starter. I'm just going to put this in. Okay, so I'm going to drop this and then make it bigger. Okay, so I think my view is smaller. Let me just increase my view so that you all can see. Okay, so can you see this? So this text is on synonyms and antonyms. Not so clear. I think the picture I took is not a clear one, but this is it. Can you see it? So this is it, right? So my students can come here like this. Now I have put in a picture, so I've put in an image. So my students can come, click on the draw, and then choose their answer. So I want the pen. I'm going to click on the pen, and then um and take my answer. So I could just go ahead, or it's the same thing as what reference. So I could just circle it and all of that. So your students can come here and work. So nobody should give excuse. We don't know what to do. Is it only one note that works? No, it's not only one note that works. You can come here, create your work here, and your student can work here as well. Okay, it's not C shapes, eraser. You want to ask a question and all of that, your students can work with you on this particular app. So if you maybe you're using a laptop that one note does not work on, just come here and then use this. Okay, um you could put a picture, you could add a picture, you could add a video. If you want to even add a video, you could add a video. Okay, see, you could add a video, you could add a link. Can you see YouTube? Can you see? So there's no, there's nobody that is here that should say, oh, I don't know what to do. You have everything with you. You have, and you can see, like I said, there's the paid version, but you can use the free one. You can use the free one. Then if you want your student to have access to the link, you just come to this share button here, click on share. Okay, share, the link sharing is off. Anyone with the link can annotate this. So I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to take it. Anyone with the link, I'm going to take it out. So anyone with the link can annotate. Can you see the link has come up now? Okay, so anybody can come and annotate, share annotations with collaborators. So your annotations are shared with others viewing this file. So your child can have access to it. If you are working, the child can be writing, you too, you are also writing. You can be, the child can be writing and you are making correction. Collaborators can download and print this file. Yes. So the child can have it on their drive as their homework. So nobody will say, oh, I don't know how to do my homework. I could not do my homework. This is it. Your OneNote is giving you issue. Come and use Kami. Just copy the link and send it in the chat to the child. That's it. Okay, you can copy it. You can save it. Right, so this is it. This is how you use Kami. And if you've not tried it, please come and explore. There are a lot of things that you could do here on Kami. There's a lot of things that you could use it to do. There's a lot of things you could use it to, and it's going to save your classes. It's going to save your class time. The time you're using to do, oh, I want to do, you're trying to find whiteboard. Just come here. All right. So if you cannot use the the Zoom whiteboard, come here. If you're looking for the Google whiteboard, just come to Kami, right, and share your screen on Google and then use it. The child can also write. You could write an equation and the child will write an equation. This is draw. This is compass. This is protractor rather. So you can take it away. All right. This is compass. You have compass. Like, what are you looking for, please? Right? What are you looking for? Everything you're looking for is here. Okay, you want to change your colors of the pen, you could change it. Okay, you could change the colors. You could write 23 divided by 1. I'm not with my pen, I'm not using my pen, I'm using my mouse, right? But see, this is it. All right. Okay, so thank you all for learning this. Please explore, come here, learn it, look at it. You could export it. You want to save it, export it as a quick download. It's going to save on your phone. Sorry, on your what's it called, on your laptop. It's going to save. You could export it here, you could download it here, and all of that. If you want to just view it, you could go ahead and just view it in the presentation mode. When you're done, how the child will see it, you can put it in presentation mode and then see it. Okay. All right. I'm sure that we've learned a lot today. And see the file, you can upload it to your Google Drive, upload it to your OneDrive. It saves for you. Okay, you can even put it in, you can create a Kami library where your student can come in, you two can come in, and then you do tasks together as well. Right. So if you're looking for more videos about tools and app, please go and check my YouTube channel. I have tons and loads of videos. I have a book, online teaching blueprint. Please buy, read, and start up your own online tutoring business. I really want to see you grow and thrive in 2026 or whatever year you're going to be watching this, right? So please put in the effort and the results will come. Until I see you again in my next video, bye for now.